Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Courtyard Bowling Green Convention Center. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are non-smoking rooms, restaurant, free Wi-Fi and a free parking. Enjoying a quiet location directly across from the Sloan Convention Center, this hotel offers an indoor pool and 24-hour business center. It also features an on-site fitness center. Each room at Courtyard Bowling Green includes a 27 inches flat-screen TV and a spacious desk with an ergonomic chair for comfort. Some rooms feature a balcony overlooking a richly landscaped courtyard area. Each morning, guests can enjoy a full breakfast buffet including various pastries, a waffle station and eggs cooked to order. For more dining options, there is a choice of restaurants nearby. Courtyard Bowling Green Convention Center is 2.7 miles from Western Kentucky University and 5.6 miles from Beech Bend Park. The Bowling Green Airport is only 0.5 miles away. Downtown Nashville is just a 1-hour drive away from Bowling Green. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.